I put noodles in the air fryer and it was better than Doritos. In a pan with hot water, add 100 grams of noodles. Here I'm using screw noodles and I will leave cooking for 80 minutes. After that time, just remove and drain all the water. Use a paper towel or a dishcloth to dry this noodle well. After drying very well, set aside next to go. In another container, add 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and add some olive oil. We are going to mix up and turn into a brief cake. Alright, now just mix in the noodles. Mix with your hand. After seasoning, bring to the air fryer at 200 degrees for 10 minutes or until crispy. And look how amazing it looks. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super fast snack that is delicious and the best of all, spending very little. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That's strong your hope. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.